Hi, I am Nicholas Takeyama, a director and a DOP and a producer here in Japan. I mainly work on commercials, music videos, and feature films. One of the main things I get questioned is what equipment you need other than a camera when shooting a video, especially from photographers who want to get into videography.
This might be a video for those who already own the mirrorless cameras like this FS5 III who are willing to step up to professional camcorders and/or hoping to bring up the level of their video content.
I also have a photography background, so I hope these tips can help to those audiences. Today I want to go over the basic tools that will surely come in handy. First off, tripod. Tripod comes in various sizes, from this tiny tabletop tripod to this kind of gigantic one. And of course, you need a tripod for a static shot. But the main difference between a photo tripod and a video tripod is the head, which you can see here. Oftentimes, you will see a fluid head with a counterbalance on a video tripod. The counterbalance acts as a counterforce to keep the balance between the tripod head and the camera that is mounted on. The fluid head, on the other hand, provides free movement. These two functions allows you to make smooth pan and tilt, which is unavailable on photo tripod. This is definitely a must-have when shooting a video. Next is lights. Without a proper light, it is hard to get a beautiful image, especially when shooting indoors. No matter what the situation is, for a portrait, an interview, or even for a product shoot, it is definitely better to invest in video lights. Different from photography strobes, for video, we need a steady light. What is popular nowadays are these LED lights. It is light, compact, and energy efficient. Look at the difference between with and without a light. If you are interested on how to light each scene, feel free to check the following videos. What I also recommend is an external monitor. Here you can see various types of external monitors. The screen on the camera can get the job done, but it is tiny. These external monitors provide you a greater screen estate that will help you nail focus. Each monitors have different characteristics, but what is common is that they have the ability to show scopes to check your exposure. Also, there are monitors with external recording functions. This allows you to record with a better codec, oftentimes resulting in a better image. For example, if you use FS5 Mark II with a compatible external monitor, it supports RAW output. This enables you to shoot continuous 4K 60p. You can use higher frame rate with RAW recording. I will touch upon this on the later part.